What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Got my co-pilot back there. Can you say hi, bud?
Hi.
We are on our way to the first local test and tune of the year. Don't have many cars that we're taking down for this. Basically, this is going to be a shakedown session for the Mystic, the 96 Mystic that we are setting up for factory stock. That's a car that I raced in Coyote stock, as well as Derek raced in Coyote stock for a little while. Derek was the owner. So, you know, that car has now been sold to Mr. Tom Mueller. You'll probably get to know and see a little bit more of him on the channel during this. Try to shoot some more like personal videos, more people involved videos while we're at the track today besides just footage. But just wanted to get this one kicked off. Me and Jackson are going to go down, see if we can't make this car go down the track, huh, bud? What?
Yeah.
What are we going to do?
Watch race cars.
That's right. So, stick with us, and if you guys would, please consider hitting that subscribe button down here somewhere, you know, hit the bell notification, all that. Greatly appreciate that from all of you guys. So, other than that, we'll see you guys when we get to the track. Okay, so I suck at making footage while I'm at the track. I don't know, something gotta get over, I guess. The whole walking around with the GoPro, talking to myself, working on a car. I don't know, just gotta get over it, I guess. Plenty of people do it. I guess, I don't know. I guess they don't look silly. Never saw anybody at the track doing it myself. But, so, it was a great day at the track, honestly. You know, got all loaded back up. I'm back at the house now. Having me a little bit of a cocktail, a little old-fashioned. So delicious. Just once it touches your lips. Oh, so good. But, so let's go over the passes from today, shall we? So the first one was just kind of a, it was just kind of a literally shake, you know, the whole knock the dust off. It literally did that. You'll see that in this video here. Pay attention to the passenger side. So, as you can see, literally knocked the dust off, figuratively and physically. So a little small minor track cleanup. Luckily it wasn't too bad. I mean, we had this thing on the lift, everything, just didn't notice it. I launched and just kind of rattled stuff loose. And as you can see, the car took a very hard turn to the right. Again, just kind of a rush to try to get some laps for Tom to actually, you know, just get comfortable in the car and stuff, you know. Kind of forgot a few quick little minor details. Didn't neutral out the anti-roll bar. So, kind of an aborted pass. So, and then we came back, neutraled out the anti-roll bar, just looked over everything. Everything looked good, you know. So then we went ahead, went back up with the anti-roll bar all neutraled out. Car launched, left beautiful. Plugged right through first, second, real good. Shut it on down. You know, just not trying to rush anything too much. Then came back. As you can see, it had a little bit of a wheelie there. So I turned up the RPM on the launch. Turned the RPM up on the launch. Was hoping to get a little bit of wheel speed. Ended up with 0 wheel speed, but a dead hook, you know, put a little air in the tire, just, yeah. So he went for a pretty good ride. You know, this is something we try not to do with customers early on, but inevitably it's gonna happen. He reacted perfectly, handled it great. You know, he got a little sketchy at the end if you pay attention, got a little, some of the little going, but got it under control, reeled it right in. Gunner is being Okay, dog's being quiet for now. So after the big massive wheelie, he came back, double checked everything. Everything's good, no damage. Then from there, you know, put about 4 clicks in the front struts. You know, wanted to get this thing under control, wanted a decent, nice A to B pass to, you know, just always feels good to have a good pass. You know, some of the front numbers have been pretty promising so far during the event. Well, testing tune. So we got everything set back up, went back up for our final pass of the day, tightened the front end up like I said. Launch, everything stayed the same. Launched, left perfect, maybe just a smidge high. I'd like to see a little bit more tire speed myself, but we'll get there. You know, literally first 4 passes on the car in many years. Changed the configuration over into factory stock from Coyote stock. So there's going to be a learning curve. Newer driver, he's not a totally green driver. He's been around drag racing, stuff like that. But for this type of racing combination, this transmission, all brand new for him. So for our first day out, couldn't have asked for a better results. You know, last pass here. So went a 10:23 on that pass, which is very good, very promising. We've still got some work to do. It went 130 mile an hour, so I'm really happy with the mile per hour. You know, shows we're making the power. So from here, we're gonna take our, I think they're like 5-6-year-old slicks, throw them away. Got a new set sitting there. Hopefully get out to test one more time before the Atlanta race, which will be the first race that Tom would be racing in Nmra factory stock. But all in all, just a fantastic day. Weather was great. It was just nice to get back to the track, you know, seeing the sounds, smells, all that stuff. It just all comes rushing back. But that's about it for this video, guys. I just wanted to throw something quick together, try to get more steady on content when we're going to the racetrack. Like I said, I'm going to work on walking around talking to myself in the GoPro. I'm going to work on that. That way I can actually show some stuff we're doing as we're doing it at the track. But I don't know. It's sort of like Ricky Bobby. I don't know what to do with my hands. I don't know what to do with a camera walking around, because I wind up in conversations with so many different people. It's just, I don't know. But so if you made it all this, cheers. Hope you guys had a fantastic week. And please hit that subscribe button if you consider that. Really appreciate all that. Then look for some updates on the race cars and everything as we get ready for the Atlanta race, and hopefully try to get back to 1 to 2 videos a week. Cheers. And it's Old Forester rye, if you're wondering. Makes fantastic old fashioned. See ya.